Hello everyone. In the wake of the NEET Scam 2024, many sincere and hard-working students are feeling disheartened and distraught. The NEET National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test paper leak has raised serious concerns and impacted students significantly. Aspirants, parents, and politicians have termed the discrepancies surrounding the exam an elaborate scam. Multiple complaints and court cases have been filed by the candidates who reported losing time for the exam. The situation remains contentious and investigations are ongoing. Students affected by this NEET scam are rightfully seeking justice and accountability from the authorities. Now that the re-NEET has already been conducted, and out of the 25 lakh students who took the examination, around 23 lakh have been impacted by this scam. Many of these students, despite scoring 550 marks or more, are not where they should be in the ranking list today. The truth that there will be no further re-exams has been a hard pill to swallow for many. The results are final with reports of slight changes in the ranking. So, after all these troubles, is there any hope for the victims of the NEET scam now? At this juncture, students who have been unfairly affected by the NEET scam are in search of support and encouragement in order to shun the distress, strengthen their spirit, and have determination to succeed, aiming at their desire of being MBBS doctors. Yet, believably, there is still hope. There is a premier institution widely known across southern India for inspiring young minds and instill confidence in them to drive towards the success with a burning desire. The institution specializes in delivering the best coaching for NEET. Under the said troublesome circumstances, the institution is offering an incredible golden opportunity for students who scored 550 and above in the NEET but still find their rank above 1 lakh due to various reasons in the examination. So, students, it's time to reclaim your dream of becoming an MBBS doctor at the prestigious Falcon NEET Academy, which has produced remarkable results and secured over 500 medical seats in Karnataka. The institution is offering discounts on fees for high-scoring students, up to 50% for those scoring above 500 and 100% for those scoring 550 and above. Ensure you grab your seat at Falcon NEET Academy and transform your disappointment into a stepping stone towards success and turn your dreams into reality.